More.
Mom, talk about the aliens.
Oh my gosh.
There's an alien here.
No, it's like, remember the movie? No, remember the movie War of the Worlds?
Okay,
Mom,
first of all, we go back to what the heck they're building.
Mom, show us the alien.
She's gonna put this on yours, on her MySpace, and make fun of you.
Look. But there's other ones that we printed out.
Well, you know what it is. Remember the movie?
Mary, look at that.
I know, that's weird. Remember the movie War of the Worlds, where the aliens came out of the ground?
Now,
That's what that is.
Video? Yeah. Okay, now, how did this picture come like that?
I think that's more than just a duplicate.
I don't think so. You guys, it's just a mirror image.
We just blew it up. But look at this, there.
It's probably an accident.
Look at the. Explain that.
I'll show you on this camera.
The real barn. Look at the real barn picture.
You have a different picture.
You want to see?
This is the church.
Okay, that is the look. We finally fixed, like, maybe at this angle.
Yeah.
At this angle, then there's a point. But then there's doors, and there's no door
Maybe
opening.
it's just a big poop.
Look.
It could be ice from falling ice from an airline.
And then we started realizing that these were the same and these were the same.
Because it's a mirror image.
But and look at those two are the same.
Nope. They're just trees.
Isn't that weird? Yeah. Amy, how did it happen? And look at this thing.
Mom, what is Eric thinking?
Oh, look, we can blow it up right now. Look at it. Look.
So you got this property for sale?
Look. See? Okay, I'll show you the alien head.
It kind of looks like Bowser.
It's not blown up very good, though.
Very well.
Very well.
Look. It's just a tree. That's been mirror images.
Sometimes things that are mirror image look like
not an alien.
other things, but they're not.
There's a guy
If
called...
you do a mirror image of any tree, it's going to give you some weird branches that look like an alien.
I mean, that's not even the size of the barn, though.
What?
Well, did you take it from the same angle, though? Like, go back to the original one. Did you take it
Mom, see, look. See the corner? Look at there. There's windows and stuff. It's fine.
Isn't that weird? Those two trees are the same. Yeah.
Because it's mirror... Mom, it's duplicated. Of course they're the same. It's because this side is duplicated over there. Okay?
I think I should put it on eBay.
The picture?
I think I should try to sell it. Bizarre.